Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on acid-base titration. What is titration? Titration is the slow and measured addition of one solution of known concentration into another solution of unknown concentration and known volume until the reaction reaches neutralization, which is often indicated by a color change. This is a simple way to determine the concentration of an unknown solution. Before you start your titration, you should prime your burette. Priming is a process of coating the inside of the burette with your substance that you'll be titrating with, in this case NaOH, and then rinsing it out, then doing it one or two more times. We have pre-primed our burette, so we only need to do it once, just for this tutorial. Next, in order to know when your reaction has reached an endpoint, you need to add a few drops of the indicator solution called phenolphthalein. When the pH of your solution reaches above 8.25 and below 12, the color will change from clear to pink to fuchsia. Next, you'll add your substance to your burette. In this case, it is NaOH. And we'll be adding 50 milliliters as indicated by the top graduation on our burette. Next, we'll be measuring out a known volume of our unknown concentration solution, which in this case happens to be commercial soda. We are going to find the concentration of citric acid in commercial soda, and for this experiment we'll be using 20 milliliters. Now that we've measured out our solution of known concentration and our solution of unknown concentration, we can begin to mix them using the valve on the burette. The key is adding one very slowly to the other until you start to see the color change. Sooner or later, depending on the concentration of your acid and your base, you'll start to see your indicator turn pink around where your base is being added. This is why it's necessary to continue mixing the solutions so that your base will be distributed throughout your acid. And sooner or later, your entire solution will begin to turn pink. It is important that you stop when your solution becomes a light pink. It is not necessary to have your entire solution become dark fuchsia colored. This means you have titrated too much base into your solution. This pink is close to the correct color pink you would like to see at the end of your titration. At the end of your titration, you will do some math using the amount of titrate it took, which in our case was 49.6 milliliters. Then you will do calculation based on moles. You'll end up with molarity, which in our case was 0.0248 molarity of citric acid. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you gain insight into titration.